before we run through a couple of charts, we always like to stop to make sure that we're looking at this through an institutional lens because institutions don't try to predict the next candle. They build a risk map, they identify decision levels, and then they demand proof that those levels have been reclaimed and held. So that's what we're looking at. That's what we focused on this week. Let's take a look and run through the evidence in order and see what we can determine. But what we see when we look at this clean all-time weekly chart for Coinbase, we see that coin is no longer acting like a clean continuation here. We do see a pullback. We see choppier tape with lower confidence. We see failed attempts to hold higher prices. We see price driven back down into this prior decision area, the zone where buyers previously stepped in during the advance. This clip is a supplement to Clarity, our weekly educational service. Each week, we break down the hottest trades with a top-down view of the sector and related peers. Then we do a deep dive into our spotlight, our featured analysis using the institutional business cycle. As our guide, every issue includes bullish and bearish scenario, as well as trade considerations for all of the charts that we covered. It's not investment advice, but it's how we would handle trades if we were in them. If you like our videos, you're going to love Clarity. There's a QR code up in a second that'll get you 10% off. See you back here on the Trading Couch next time.